Welcome to Noor Telecom. Today, I want to share how to repair the Huawei P30 Pro LCD display and back glass. Let's start and stay with us at the end of this video. Therefore, you can see that the back glass has broken. Trying to remove the back glass with this type of tool, or you can choose a card, or as you know, you can use a guitar pick for better. By moving your pick around, the back glass will be free to remove. Using a screwdriver, unbinding the screws carefully. After removing the back part, remove also SIM cards and memory from the slots. Then remove the wireless charger coil. Motherboard. And charging flex. Other parts, remove what is shown in the video. You are now fitting the parts as you see in this video. You can match it with the same mobile phone. I am trying to match it with another mobile. Carefully set the motherboard when you are going to put the motherboard. And connect the wire properly. Now, setting up charging flex. Wireless charging coil. Cleaning the camera lens and fitting the backside with glue. So it's done. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, and comments below.